red cabbage, sliced thin. Helps when you have a meat slicer to slice it nice and uniform thin all the way along. This is our Herbie roasted garlic olive oil. So what we got up here is we've got some Australian lamb legs, butterflied them, taken the large chunk of that leg, and we've got them roasting. We seared them on the hot coals, and then they're just resting in there right now. We've got the thinner part of the leg here, and we just seasoned them with my bone dust steak spice and grilled lemons, and then squeezed the lemons over top of them. We've roasted some squash, and it's in there. We've got some beef ribs going on up top, and we've got some pineapples hanging. We'll use these squash we're going to use in making a barbecue sauce, and the pineapples we'll use in a dessert. And that's really what's going on today. Not too much more. We're having fun here at the Melanoma Network, Melanoma Canada Golf Tournament. We're having a lot of fun. Beautiful lamb, great food here at Winchester Golf Course, and having some fun. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Yeah, you're driving with me. Oh, there's a golf ball. Don't drive over it. Now we're going to visit my buddy Christian Pritchard he's the corporate chef of Aurora Importing. He's flipping me the bird right now. This guy knows so much about Italian cuisine. It is unbelievable. But I tell you, this guy loves food, and he's a very, very close friend of mine. So Christian Pritchard, we're going to go visit him and see what he's cooking up here at the Melanoma Canada Golf Tournament at Winchester Golf Club. So let's go check him out. I said I'd bring him a beer. I brought you a beer.
Thank you, sir.
What are you making?
I'm making, you know what I'm making? I'm making the PBJ shrimp, baby.
Peanut butter and jelly shrimp.
Yeah, but the jelly is fig, brother. Come on. We can smell this off, babe. You know this.
Yeah, I know that little sauce. Say hello to everybody.
How you doing? What are you filming, a little documentary?
We're just doing little stuff, you know.
Oh, okay.
We're going around the course today having some fun. And I wanted to
You don't have any fun.
I always have fun. And so we wanted to introduce everybody to the chefs.
Here, Reader, you know what? Then make
tournament.
one here so you can see, okay?
Okay.
So what you do is take a schmear. It's your word. I love the word schmear. Of the peanut butter right across here, on the top or the bottom, whatever.
Don't want me while I'm smoking and doing it at the same time.
Smoking and doing it at the same time. That's right. My wife says that too.
Yeah, well, you're just smoking out of your butt half the time.
Great documentary, buddy.
A little bit of your Asian slaw here.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Well, you got this fig jam.
Fig jam?
I'm putting that on the other side.
Yeah, take one fig so you kind of smash it into the other side of the bun.
Yeah. I was just telling everybody how awesome you are. If I want to know anything about Italian cuisine, I don't call an Italian, I call Christian.
That's the way to do it.
And he knows his stuff.
I can't believe you're saying something nice today. I'm going to cry.
So where's your shrimp?
Right here. So just
Okay.
pull the tail and just squeeze on.
You pull the tail. I don't want to get divorced. Put them down. One little shrimp on there. We got 4 here, and then I can have one.
Yeah.
Awesome. Here, boys. So your PB&J shrimp.
PBJ shrimp.
Oh yeah. I think it's awesome. That peanut sauce has a great amount of heat. Like if they put this in a jar, it would be so wicked awesome. What did you put together basically,
Really,
your basic
the key
entry?
that makes this, and you know this, is the soya. It's the saltiness. You can use fish sauce too, I suppose, too, and give it a bit of texture difference, but the soya, and then I use Tutta Calabria hot sauce from Calabria.
Okay.
But if we use some of your hot sauce, same thing. You can
Right.
do elements of meat, but it's equal combination of smooth peanut butter and crunchy.
Okay.
Crunchy is great for texture, and if you want to get really funky, I take some more of the dry roasted, smash them up and put them in there after it's cooled.
Cool.
A
Beautiful.
little bit of brio or beer or something there, just to let it loose.
It's a good friend of mine.
The best.
Follow him at Chris Cooking. He's
Chris Cooking Canada.
Chris Cooking Canada, right? Because there's somebody else in the world that's called Chris Cooking.
I know. Don't like that guy.
Not that guy. What's he know? Right? Cheers.
This guy's a lawyer.
That's Alex way up there. We'll go see him. Holy fuck, I hope this thing gets my ass up the hill. Welcome to Alex.
Uh-oh. Gentlemen, Ted, going on, Alex? Long time no see.
Sir, how are you? Not too much, not too much. Two things. One, there's a food item vote. Yeah. And you're doing fucking lambs? You asshole, you give me chicken and you're doing lambs?
Wait, could you explain what's going on with the food item voting? And
I have no idea about the food item voting. I was just told that apparently there's food item voting and, well, I don't care if I win something, but beating Ted, that's all I need.
Right on, Alex.
Okay, what are we having today?
So I have a Bollywood chicken seasoned sandwich with craft beer bacon, a chunky tzatziki, and red onions.
And this is from the joint.
Yeah, well, this is, yeah, from Ted will say, yeah, it's from the joint.
Really lucky because there was someone who wanted a quarter, so I even got to try some of it.